gently. Me loving it, she giving me steadily. Moving it gently. I like how you giving me steadily. Wind up your body, girlie, no matter, no pattern. Give me any how you feel, I'm Omoni. You make my head to swell, I make a man feel sweat. Hey.
Baby, love me gently. Baby, kiss me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me. Baby, love.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to properly define your curly hair / your curly wig. And also, I'll be sharing with you guys the products that I use and why I use them. And the hair that I'll be using for today's tutorial is from Luvme hair. I'm going to leave every details of this hair in my description box below in case you guys are interested. And without wasting much time, let's jump right into this video.
No man fi waste your time. Say no man fi catch your vibe. No, them man can get it right. Wait, bad man fi waste no time. Wind up your body, girlie, no matter, no pattern. Give me any how you feel, I'm Omoni. You make my head to swell, I make a man fi sweat. Hey.
Baby, love me gently. Baby, kiss me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me. Baby, love me gently. Baby, hold me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me.
Baby, love me gently. Baby, touch me gently. I know you want me. I know you want me. Want me.
Hi guys, so I am back. I've already washed the hair and this is what it looks like with no product on it. I washed it and I deep conditioned the hair and I left it to air dry. So this is what it looks like. I just added this elastic band to the hair to give it more security. So right now I'm just going to show you guys how I define my coils. Right here are the products that I'll be using. I don't know if you guys can see them. So the first thing I'm going to use is water, which is to damp the hair. And I'm going to use my favorite leave-in conditioner. This one is the Hawaiian Silky Miracle Worker 14-in-1. This is my favorite leave-in conditioner. It doesn't weigh down the hair or weigh down the coils, and really this is amazing. If you can lay your hands on this leave-in conditioner, I would advise you to get it. It is amazing. I've been using it for years and I've tried other ones, but this happens to be my all-time favorite. So for me, using a mousse to define my coils is optional. I just like to use only leave-in conditioner, but I'm also going to show you guys that you can also add mousse to the hair to keep the coils in place for a longer period of time. This is the brush that I'll be using. Actually, I prefer to use a Derma brush to define my coils, but my Derma brush got spoiled. I ordered another one and I haven't received it yet, so I'm going to make use of this one for the meantime. So separating the hair in half is also very good. That way you can make sure that the water or the product that you will be applying will get to every single part of the hair. So I'm going to separate it maybe like into 3 different sections. So this is the first section that I'll be doing. So you just want to damp the hair properly with water. You can actually do this method where the hair is still wet, but for the sake of this video, I'm just going to show you guys how to do it when the hair is dried. So you can see I'm lifting the tracks and spraying the water. That way it gets through to every strand. So the next thing I'm going to use is the leave-in conditioner. So you want to repeat the same step. You spray the leave-in conditioner on every strand of the hair to moisturize it and to make it soft for a longer period of time. So another thing I forgot to tell you guys is that with this leave-in conditioner, you can half the bottle and mix it with water, so that way it lasts longer. So when detangling your curly hair, it is very important that you start from the tip all the way to the root. So that's what I'm doing. And also the way you use the brush matters a lot. Don't just go like this. When you go like this, it will not give you a defined curls. Like, you have, the hair has to pass through the brush, like the inside of the brush. I don't know how to explain that part, but just see what I'm doing. Like, make sure it goes through the brush like this.
Youngbodzy on the remix. Oh na na.
Can you guys see this? It's defined from the root to the tip, which is important for your curly hair. For your curly hair, always make sure that the tip is very defined. That way it will not easily tangle. So I'm repeating the same step on this second section of the hair.
Shawty said she like a man with enough swag, who has got class and let his jeans sag, who does not brag. Know they carry lots, of when it comes to the bunch, he knows that he goes hard. Damn, Shawty fine die. You got 8 things, man, Shawty top die. From ABJ to nigga, Shawty run towns. And one thing, man, she never let her guards down. Okay, baby, calm down. You know anywhere I go that I shut it down. So come chill with the boss like Hugo, and I'll follow you anywhere you go. And anything you want to have it, and anything you need to have it, and anything you want to have it, and anything you need to have it. Shawty, I like the way you roll. Say I like the way you, I like the way you, I like the way you. Say I like the way you roll. You know you drive me crazy. You know you drive me crazy.
See, I've seen a lot of games. To be honest, if I know be lie, you should put me to the test. Shawty, no doubt, I am your guy. I'm feeling you, girl, yeah.
Can you see how beautiful this looks? The curls are so defined. So the next step will be the top part of the hair.
Yeah, I go try on my best to please you. Place no one above and beyond you. They make my heart to go ting gang gang, ting gang gang. You they make my heart to go ting gang gang, ting gang gang, ting gang gang.
Say I like the way you roll, like the way you roll. Say I like the way you, I like the way you, I like the way you. Say I like the way you roll, like the way you roll. You know you drive me crazy. You know you drive me crazy, Shawty. Other girls come, but you are too fly. You are so nice and you are too shy. Shawty girl curves that is so killing, and anytime you come around, you know I catch feelings. Man, Shawty fly die. From the bottom to the top, man, she fly die. You know anything you want, I can settle for, and we can ride around town in my ride 4. Okay, Shawty, what you waiting for? Other girls got nothing, so what they hating for? I could be someone.
So for the mousse, what you want to do is apply it on your palm like this, or on the hair, and just
you know you drive me crazy. You know you drive me crazy. Say I like the way you roll, like the way you roll. Say I like the way you, I like the way you, I like the way you. Say I like the way you roll, like the way you roll. You know you drive me crazy. You know.
let me come closer for you guys to see how defined this hair looks. Just take a look at the tip. Can you see how defined it looks? Then take a look at the roots. You can see that the coil starts from the roots, right? I'm going to add some baby hairs, and I'll be back to show you guys the final look of this hair. So guys, this is what the hair looks like after allowing it to air dry. You can see how defined and beautiful the coils looks. So this is what the back of the hair looks like. Take a look at the tip of the hair and also the root of the hair. So guys, as you can see, the coils of this wig starts from the roots all the way down to the tip, which is not so common with some coily wigs that I've seen. So that makes it a plus for this wig. And the texture of this hair is really soft and fluffy. I absolutely love it. So I can't wait to show you guys what it looks like on me. So I'm going to put this wig on and I'll be back to show you guys what it looks like. I added an elastic band for extra security because this is a 5x5 wig, so you want it to be really secured, because I will not be using any spray or glue to hold this wig down on my head. So adding an elastic band for me, I think, is a must. So guys, this is what the hair looks like on me, and I absolutely love the texture of this hair. I love the fact that it's coily from the roots to the tip, which is amazing, and also love the softness of this hair. I can actually make it bigger if I choose to. All I have to do is use a wide tooth comb to comb it out a little bit, or I can also use my finger to mess it up a little bit to make the hair bigger. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to leave it defined as it is already. So this hair is from Luvme hair. I'm going to leave every details of the hair in my description box below in case you guys are interested. So that'll be it for this video. I hope you guys found it helpful, and if you did, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. I love you guys, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye guys.
Gently, me loving it. She giving me steadily, moving it gently. I like how you giving me steadily. Wind up your body, girlie, no matter, no pattern. Give me any how you feel, I'm on You make my head to swell, I make a man feel sweat. Hey.
Baby, love me gently. Baby, kiss me gently.